Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to change Fiverr notification sound on Fiverr application. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will go to your Fiverr application. So after opening it, you will go to your profile settings. Here you will scroll down and go to preferences. So at the top there is notifications. You will simply tap on it. So here are three options: push notification, email and notification sound. So you will simply tap on notification sound. So these are all the notification which we have enabled. So if you want to change the sound of this notification, like I will change the notification of my gigs, so you will tap on it, and here is the sound option. You will simply tap on sound, and these are the sounds which you want to change. So these are the sounds. From here you can tap on any of the sound which you want to add on this setting. So we will tap on any of the sound. We will tap on beep once, and then you will go back and the sound has been changed. So this is the simple process of changing the sound of Fiverr notification. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching.